So you have a PLC program and you need to check it out and see if it works correctly. One way that you can do that without having to download it to the actual physical PLC itself and have it all wired up with all the inputs and outputs and everything is to actually try it in a virtual PLC. So I'm going to show you how to do that within the Do More Designer, and you'll see I have a sample program here. It's just a basic latch circuit or memory circuit that you might use. It's like the one that you guys have, the one that you guys did in the last assignment. So I'm just going to click out of edit mode. I'm going to show you how to get into the virtual PLC. It's really straightforward. You guys are familiar with connecting to a PLC. What we're going to do is connect to a PLC, except we're going to connect to a virtual one instead of a real one. I'm going to click out of edit mode, and it says my rungs have changed, so I'm going to say yes. And then it says that I don't need to save it because I've already saved this previously. I'm going to go to the PLC and I'm going to say connect, and you'll notice that the only option that I have right here is my sim, and what that is a virtual PLC. So I'm going to click on that one and connect to it, and you can see that we have a new virtual PLC hooked up there, and what you've got is your basic X0 through X15 inputs and your Y0 through Y15. Of course, there are more inputs and outputs showing on this virtual PLC than there are on the actual PLC. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to write to the PLC, and it's wanting to do all the updates and everything. So we're going to write to the PLC, and you'll see it's already updated. We're going to pull the PLC up here, and what should happen is when we press X0, Y0 should come on and stay on. And it did. Now, nothing else we do with X0 is going to change anything, so we have to press the stop button, which is X1, and that turns it off. Nothing else we do with X1 changes anything. So what we've got here is our start and stop button and our Y0 output on our virtual PLC. So feel free to use this to simulate your programs before you actually program it and plug it in the cabinet. Probably can save a lot of headaches, and it's required for this assignment. So give it a try and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.